Morning everyone, this is Fender. It's Thursday morning, May 24th, 2018, time 3:52 a.m. here in New York City, my city, which is the greatest city in the world, located in the greatest country in the world. Yeah, babies. This video is on Hurricane Sandy. Now, Hurricane Sandy has plowed through the East Coast in 2012, and Hurricane Sandy has caused a great deal of damage here in the East Coast in 2012. Also, I'd like to state in this video that Hurricane Sandy has fulfilled a lot of my prophecies pertaining to flooding coming to New York City, blackouts coming to New York City, and so on and so forth. I made a video called PARRISH's Warning Signs, a Tsunami for New York. If you want to have, okay, I published this video on October 14th, 2011. Almost a year before Hurricane Sandy, I believe. Okay, in this video, I described that if a flood is coming to Manhattan, it may bring about 6 feet of flood water upon the island of Manhattan. Let me play this small excerpt from this video to you guys and gals now. Okay, I'm at the South Seaport, and as you see, levees near the Brooklyn Bridge, and I'm pointing how close the water is to the street. And if a flood happened, the water is come right into the ground, right upon the ground. Okay? Definitely, if the water rises this high, you're talking about from ground to this level. I would say that this could be 6 feet of water. Okay, so now I will show a picture of Hurricane Sandy coming into the South Seaport 2012. Okay, there's a Brooklyn Bridge there, South Seaport, the levees. Okay, and I Googled South Seaport flooding. Flooded by Hurricane Sandy, I would say 30 minutes ago, and I found an old article which was from New York Post, and this article stated April 2nd, 2016. It says, South Seaport Museum is back in business after Hurricane Sandy. Okay, it says here, I will not read all. I will not read the entire article now. I'll just read a few paragraphs. The South Seaport Museum can finally say it weathered the storm. It recently rolled out street of ships to port its people. Its first exhibit since Hurricane Sandy 4 years ago. That superstorm flooded the building's entrance with about 6 feet of water. See? This is what I said. If it comes in about 6 feet of water. Yeah, so yeah, I guess I got this prophecy right. That New York City is flooded, especially near South Seaport. The flood water will rise up to 6 feet. So I said it right. You guys and gals heard it. It came to pass in October 29th, 2012. Yeah, I just felt like I needed to share this video to you guys and gals because a lot of my prophecies are coming to pass, people. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching this video. Everyone, take care, God bless, and bye, boobies.